All right, so here's how to do a collab post on Instagram. Create a feed post or reel as normal. Go to the tag people menu, invite a collaborator. Only one collaborator per post for now. Once you post your content, your collaborator will get an invitation in their DMs. Until they accept, your post will be hidden. Then, once they do, it goes live. They say teamwork makes the dream work, but did you know Instagram collabs also makes the dream work? If the dream specifically is to build discoverability, reach, and engagement for your Instagram posts and reels. Okay. This wouldn't make a great inspirational poster to hang in a public school library, but it will make a great social media marketing YouTube video. And guess what? You're currently watching it. Hey, I'm Akim from Hootsuite's social media team, and this is Hootsuite Labs, where we teach you the science of social media marketing, how it works, and how to be successful. Today, I'm sharing every single thing we know about Instagram collabs, including our best strategies for getting results. With an Instagram collab, two users can share the exact same post in their feeds and reels. Double trouble, baby.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double.
This feature is obviously an incredible tool for discoverability and engagement. You'll reach a whole new audience. You'll share comments, likes, and number of shares. And maybe, just maybe, your collaborator will become a new friend for life. The kind of friend that you plan an international vacation with. But anyways, get ready to learn the Instagram collab essentials. Let's go! If someone has cordially invited you to collaborate on a post or reel, you'll receive an invite notification in your DMs. Click the review button, you'll be invited to accept or decline the collaboration, and then you're done. Hit the showers. An Instagram collab post looks like this. As you can see, it's just like a good old-fashioned regular post, but there are two authors listed instead of one. It'll look like this in both collaborators' feeds. Gorgeous. If you're getting paid to collab, it's very, very important that you label the post as a paid partnership. Of course, the paid partnership label is only available for business and creator accounts, so you'll have to switch your account over first. Then, to add the label, create your post or reel as normal, and then add your collaborators by going to the Tag People menu. You'll see an Invite a Collaborator button under the thumbnail. Use that to add your collaborator. Now it's time to add that paid partnership label. Tap Advanced Settings, then scroll to the bottom and find the Add Paid Partnership label button. Search for your brand partner and add. The paid partnership label will be added right away, but the brand partner will still need to approve your request. They won't appear in the label or see the insights for the post until they've approved. In other words, you can't just trick Nike into sponsoring your reel. Trust me. How to see insights for an Instagram collab post. You and your collaborator both get access to the same sweet data behind your post. Just find the post on your feed and tap View Insights. You can watch my Instagram You can watch my Instagram analytics video if you want more tips on what to do with all these scrumptious insights right up here. Bad news. You can't invite a collaborator after you've posted. You can tag people afterwards, but if you want to collab, you'll have to delete your post or reel and start again. I get it, you're popular. But unfortunately, right now, you can only have one collaborator per post or reel. But you can tag as many other people as you'd like. Their names just won't appear as co-authors on the content. There are a few reasons you might not be seeing the invite collaborator option. Time to troubleshoot. Is your account set to private? Change your privacy settings to public. Is your app up to date? Make sure you've got the latest version of Instagram, and let's try that again. Are you trying to add a collaborator to an already published post or reel? Stop it, because you can't. Delete the post and start again. And if you're still stuck, try switching to a professional account instead of a personal account. Okay, after all of that, I know you're thinking, Akim, it looks so easy to use the collab feature, but you haven't told me how to handle the hard part. Who should I collaborate with? Well, the possibilities for who you can collaborate with are endless. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Collab with influencers, collab with other brands, shout out UGC creators, shout out contest winners, collab with your employees or colleagues, collab with your mentor or protege, collab with your bestie, or maybe even your twin sister, collab with your mom, yeah, obviously, or granddad, collaborate with your local business association, shout out your location. That's right, make Applebee's a collaborator, or shout out your super fans, shout out your manufacturers, shout out your business partners, shout out your sources, unless you owe them
anonymity because you're a fancy journalist.
And of course, shout out Rihanna because go ahead, shoot your shot. Okay, that should do it. Everything you need to know about Instagram collabs. Let the double trouble begin.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
If you found this helpful, hit us with a like and subscribe. And don't forget to take your free 60-day Hootsuite trial for a spin. I mean, think about it. You plus Hootsuite. Some say it's the greatest collaboration of them all. Bye for now, friends.